फिर कभी-कभी फिर ऐसा लगता है लाइफ की मीनिंगलेस, ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ, क्या एंड गोल क्या
ह्यूमन
है?
लाइफ इज वेरी फ्रेजाइल.
फ्रेजाइल.
आई मीन लास्ट ईयर मैं खुद
हाँ, व्हाट हैपेंड?
I was clinically dead for 8 to 10 minutes.
if you can share what
I
happened.
mean, I contracted a very rare virus called NDM1, जिसमें
what is that?
it is still under research,
Okay.
and it is 10 times more infectious than COVID.
How did you contract?
I have no clue
Okay.
how I
Is it a
got
flu?
it.
Is it a flu?
I don't know.
Okay.
I mean, if the audience are watching, they can Google it and they can check NDM1.
NDM1. Okay.
And my lungs had, so I was in a coma and I was on the ventilator, and on 20th of April last year, 2023, my heart stopped for 8 to 12 minutes.
Okay.
So then वो electrical उसके साथ, and yeah, they brought me back. And शरीर में जान ही नहीं थी. I mean, I had to relearn everything, how to again walk and body movements, everything.
So how long were you in that situation?
I mean, it was in the hospital. I was there for almost a month.
Okay.
And recovery phase took almost 6-7 months. So
you were conscious. You were unconscious for how long?
I was unconscious for I think 17-18 days.
Okay. And when you came back,
I did see a vision.
Okay.
वो जो होता है ना कि आफ्टर लाइफ वाला.
Okay, वैसा सब कुछ.
हाँ, so I did describe it to the doctors, and you see when clinically pronounced deaths होती है ना, so in that they document your statements.
Okay.
So the thing is that they then extensively जब मैं होश में आया ना तो मेरे psychological test बहुत होने लगे.
Okay. So लेकिन
I was not able to speak. मेरे tracheotomy थी. I spoke all this after this thing was sealed. I was not able to talk.
Let's try to understand. So जब आप when you contracted this virus, तब I mean did you
48 hours में my SpO2 level fell down.
And were you conscious of while it was happening?
Yes. Park 100 मीटर दूर है मेरे घर से. So I reached the park, but then I told my wife कि I don't think I'll be able to make it back home. उस टाइम कुछ खांसी या कुछ नहीं था. नॉर्मल था, बट आई वाज स्वेटिंग अ लॉट. बुखार 104 था. सो समथिंग वाज जस्ट नॉट राइट, एंड आई टोल्ड हर कि यार कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. आई डोंट. सो द मोमेंट माय फादर सेड चेक हिज ऑक्सीजन लेवल, तो SpO2 मीटर लगाया. जैसे ही नीचे आया तो दे रश्ड मी टू द हॉस्पिटल. देन दे एडमिटेड मी इन इमरजेंसी. दैट इज द टाइम जब जॉन अब्राहम का भी फोन आया था. लास्ट कॉल दैट आई गॉट, एंड आई टोल्ड हिम दैट जॉन, आई एम इन द इमरजेंसी वार्ड. He said, what happened? I said, I don't know. Something's wrong with me. I'm not well. बुखार 104 है, उतर नहीं रहा. There's some problem. I'm sweating also quite a bit. He said, 27th April, I'm planning to send the director and the writer for your biopic. So I said, I'll let you know. And I think after John Abraham's call to me, I think within few hours I went into a coma.
Okay. आप जब वो unconscious state से बाहर आए थे, तो what did you feel?
उस टाइम वो फीलिंग वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं होता है ह्यूमन बीइंग में. मुझे छत पे पहले लाइटें दिखी, फिर हल्का सा दाएं देखा, फिर एक्सप्लोरिंग समथिंग ना, जैसे किसी.
You said you have visions also.
There was one certain vision that I saw
after life.
हाँ, and I discussed it with my wife after a month.
Okay.
Because I wasn't in a state of speaking so much with anyone.
Do you believe in afterlife?
Now I do.
Okay.
Now I do. I mean, it is certainly a second chance to life that I've got.
Okay.
I've seen I can say कि मैंने मतलब मरने के बाद मैंने स्वर्ग भी देखा है. I saw very good things, and when I came back to life, lot of things have changed. बहुत सारी चीजें बदल गई.
Very interesting to get that perspective.
मतलब the vision जो था, तो उसके अंदर क्या है कि as humans जब हम बात करते हैं तो we do look at each other, पर हमारी lip movement होती है, हाथों का movement होता है, body language होती है. वहाँ पे you to just look and you speak. It is telepathy.
You don't speak.
You don't.
Thoughts transpire.
Yes, and it's a very calm environment. बहुत ही soothing to the eyes, you know, the sound of nature, birds, animals around. Human beings are there, they're walking around in these meadows with bright lights जो आपके आंखों को मतलब दिक्कत नहीं दे रही हैं. The very soothing glow of light. मतलब एक एक घास का जो ब्लेड है, एक एक घास का तिनका जो है, उसमें भी एक जान होती है, उसमें भी एक ग्लो होता है. सो इट इज़ अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड ऑल टुगेदर. आई मीन दैट इज व्हाट आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड. एंड जैसे कहते हैं ना, पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस, बिल्कुल शांत. कि इट वाज लाइक कि मैं स्पेस के अंदर फ्लोट कर रहा हूँ.
ओके.
आई मीन जो बाद में मुझे बताया कि मेरी फिजिकल ट्रॉमा और अब्यूज जो मेरी बॉडी ने लिया, इट वाज बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन.
ओके. बट यू आर नॉट कॉन्शियस. डॉक्टर्स
बट हाँ, डॉक्टर्स न्यू अबाउट इट एंड नर्सेज एंड माय फैमिली न्यू अबाउट इट. बट आई वाज, आई थिंक, at the most peaceful point of time of my life ever.
Right.
And it was a very, very calm and a very soothing and a very comforting feeling. मतलब मैं कुछ बुरा नहीं था इसमें जो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि
जब बीमार हुए थे and last year, how did ma'am help you come out of that?
My wife had a very critical role because she is from a medical background.
Okay.
She had the knowledge.
Okay.
Then she was already acquainted to few doctors who were posted in R&R Hospital, Delhi.
Delhi.
So as a result, they kept discussing the reports and everything. And then she made a WhatsApp group of these doctors who had these video conferences.
Right.
Then there were teams of doctors in Bangalore, in Bombay, in Delhi. American Medical Association के भी doctors थे
Okay.
from abroad. And then Shelby Hospital, Mohali में के भी doctors थे. As a result, they all got together, and I think because of this initiative by my wife, probably the drugs which I was administered, probably the last resort वाले जो थे, it was all because NDM1, if you read, ये एक ऐसा super bug है which is immune to all antibiotics.
Okay.
कुछ भी नहीं इस पे काम करता है. So all these doctors got together, did their researches, and then they came up with the thing that, you know, we must try antifungal antidotes also and drugs. As a result, उसी ने ही फिर मुझे बचाया last में. And there's a proper report of, I don't know how many pages, a thick book जितनी वो बन चुकी थी. And as a result, I mean, this information has been shared with other hospitals and doctors around the world.
पता चला कि वो क्यों हुआ था?
नहीं, it is still under research.
Okay.
It
अभी
is
भी
still
नहीं पता
under
चला कि how you contracted.
No, how it spreads
नहीं पता.
is nobody is able to actually find out कि spread कैसे होता है. But yes, जैसे hospitals हो गए, वहाँ पे body parts जो dispose होते हैं,
Okay.
incinerators वगैरह होते हैं.
Right. That could be.
हाँ, but then, you know, the only thing which was out of routine was, मैं हमेशा अपनी गाड़ी से ट्रैवल करके ग्वालियर से घर आता था.
Right.
दिस वॉज द सेकेंड टाइम व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं ट्रेन से ही जाऊँगा. तो पहली बार ट्रेन से गया, इट वॉज वेरी कन्वीनियंट एंड गुड फॉर मी. तो आई रीच्ड हियर इन चंडीगढ़, सो इट वॉज गुड. सेकेंड टाइम अगेन व्हेन आई वॉज कमिंग, आई ट्रैवल्ड बाई ट्रेन, आई हैड देयर फूड एंड आइसक्रीम. उसके बाद मेरा गला खराब हुआ. Despite that, I gave my TED talk on 13th April last year 2023. Then I came back to Chandigarh same day.
उसके बाद हुआ आपको?
उसी दौरान हुआ है.
Okay.
दिल्ली में.
Okay.
When I interacted with
Maybe
I don't know 350 to 400 people.
Right.
So many people from the intelligence agencies were saying कि sir, could be that it's a planted virus or a superbug. So I said yes, it could be a possibility.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
So I mean 16 अप्रैल को तो डॉक्टर्स ने पेरेंट्स को मना कर दिया था हॉस्पिटल आने के लिए, बिकॉज दे सेड दैट माय चांसेस ऑफ सर्वाइवल आर वेरी ग्रिम, सो नो पॉइंट कमिंग. एंड 20th को ये आई वाज क्लिनिकली नॉट देयर.
Okay.
So eventually, you know, life is funny. My Ghatak team, JCOs and officers, boys called up, said साहब 11 साल जो गोली नहीं कर सकी कुछ आपका, वो देख लो, ये कोई पता नहीं कौन सा अनजान वायरस कर गया. So life is funny, and yeah, there are a lot of ups and downs. This was probably the worst phase of my
So
life.
ma'am was the key pillar.
She
of
was the
support.
pillar and the strength which kept all the families together.
Right, right.
And I mean, I'm telling you, end of the day, no
Yeah.
matter how tough or brave a guy is, end of the day, उसको भी संभालने के लिए he also needs somebody.
Right.
So probably it's, I'm not probably, but it's 101%
Definitely.
the better half
Right.
who's definitely going to take care. And you know,
And ultimately, sir, health is the most important wealth. I mean,
I realize that. I
When
realize that.
we
देखो
have-
पहले क्या होता था, फौज में है, थोड़ी चोट लग गई, चलो ठीक हो जाएगा, निगलेक्ट कर दिया, ठीक हो जाएगा, ठीक भी हो जाते थे. But few problems are
yeah,
beyond human
beyond
control.
Human control.
आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो. And as a result, it costed me a lot of money. I mean, 18 से 22 लाख रुपए लग गए इस पे, है ना. And these are, I think, phases of life. And I think जितना लोहा तपता है और जितनी उसे ठोकर लगती है वो उतना ही सॉलिड बन के आता है.
Absolutely.
So probably I am going to bounce back.
I'm sure you're going to come much stronger. Than
Yeah, much stronger. And
and we're happy.
I mean, my boys laugh sarcastically at it. Like, अब तो आपने मौत भी देख ली, अब तो बचा क्या है?
Exactly.
So,
That's
but
amazing.
you know, every day I thank God. This is a second opportunity which I make it count, irrespective of any success or no success. I feel जो लोग एक छत के नीचे अपने परिवार के साथ हैं, it is an achievement. They should thank God. चाहे उनके पास पैसा हो ना हो, ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही होंगी, केसेस चल रहे होंगे, आपदा या दिक्कतें होंगी, बट अगर आप सब इकट्ठे एक छत के नीचे हो, आई थिंक इट इज़ अ वेरी बिग बोनस. इट इज़ लाइफ लॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटी कि आप इकट्ठे एक छत के नीचे हो.
Right, sir.
क्योंकि गुजरने के बाद तो कुछ बचता ही नहीं ना,
Ultimately,
नथिंग
though, when we have 100 problems, but when it comes to our own survival, I think everything else becomes secondary.
एग्जैक्टली.
And that's how I think all of us need to understand कि life is a very transient. और जब तक है तो अच्छे से जीना.
इट इज वेरी फ्रेजाइल.
fragile. It's we are
मतलब मैंने सी वी कंडक्टेड एंटी टेररिस्ट ऑपरेशन, चाहे बंदा 6 फुट का होए, एक 9 mm या 7.62 का लेड का टुकड़ा डिसाइड करता है
you're gone or
कि आप जिंदा रहोगे या नहीं.
true.
चाहे आप 6.5 फुट के हो, ठीक है, तकड़े हो, आपके छाती 56 इंच का होए, आपके डोले निकले हुए होए 18 सेंटीमीटर के, these things are irrelevant. lot of violence to be so calm and composed in life now. मतलब ऐसी हालत हो गई थी कि गोलियां भी चल रही है ना, तो मैं नॉर्मली अपने बंदों से बात कर रहा था कि यार तू उस साइड जाके देख क्या चल रहा है, मुझे रेडियो इन करना. प्रॉपर गन फाइट चल रही है.
तो monk mode ऑन हो जाता है.
You know that when things are beyond your control, then you might as well go with the flow.
Absolutely.
But be wise enough when you go with that flow.